Ready to dive into the world of investing with RBC Direct Investing? Let's get you set up and trading in under 2 minutes. First, head over to the RBC Direct Investing website. Look for the prominently displayed button that says Open an Account and give it a click. This will take you to the account application page. Now, it's time to choose the type of account that suits your needs. Options include registered accounts like RSPs and TFSAs, or non-registered cash accounts. Select the one that's right for your investment goals. Fill out all the required personal information accurately. This includes your name, address, date of birth, and other details needed to verify your identity. Accuracy is key here. Next, you'll need to fund your new account. Choose your preferred method, like a bank transfer from an existing RBC account or another financial institution. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your account and transfer funds. RBC Direct Investing will assess your risk tolerance through a questionnaire. Answer these questions honestly. This helps them recommend suitable investments for your profile. Review all your information carefully one last time. Once you're confident everything is correct, hit that submit button. Once your account is approved and funded, you're ready to trade. Search for the stock or ETF you want to buy, enter the number of shares and place your order. Congratulations! You've successfully opened an account and made your first trade with RBC Direct Investing. Happy investing!